Let me refresh that. Okay, good. So we have today we have 3 data coming out within the next 25 minutes or thereabout. We have 3 different data that will be coming out. Although we have another high impact data later by 4 p.m. But we'll have one of the biggest fundamentals to actually hold, and that will be holding by 2:30. We have average hourly earnings, we have non-farm employment change, we have unemployment rate. We said to look back at some of these look back at the last 5 months, to try and understand how these markets actually perform. And we said I said that from experience, sometimes like that when data comes up, you would have like if the data it's usually very nice if all these 3 data either go in favor of the dollar so that we know that it's a straight buy, or they go against the dollar so that we know it's a straight sell. But sometimes like that when they are mixed, even when they are mixed, they usually still have they have negative effect on the dollar. Okay. But that aside, we will go to our chart, we'll look at our chart and decide what we are going to do in the market, right? So let's not waste time. Let's go on and check our chart. Okay, good. So I begin with dollar index. And when you look at dollar index, this is dollar index on 1 hour, right? This is dollar index on 1 hour. The truth is that if you check dollar index, you find out that the setup for the dollar index already shows that there's a high chance that this news will likely favor the dollar. You understand? Of course, nothing can be said for certain until that data comes out, right? Until the data comes out, nothing can be said for certain. But it's not. It's if you look at the setup of the dollar index, you see how the dollar index has created broken structure at this point here, and then swept down. You would notice that it's not out of place to expect that the dollar is likely going to push up, especially from this zone here. So even if there is a momentary fall in the dollar, I expect that from this zone here we should have personally, that that's my expectation. Looking at the dollar, I expect that at the end of the day, even if price pushes the dollar down to this zone, we should actually have a push up. Okay, so it's either the fundamentals make the dollar it's either the fundamentals make the dollar weak. Okay, it's either the fundamentals make the dollar weak. Whether they make the dollar weak or strong, I expect that it's either the dollar pushes up from here, or even if it comes down to this zone, it can still push up from here. You understand? So that's what I think. And also another thing where because I was looking at the dollar index on across different time frames, and what I also noticed was that when I checked it on 15 minutes, I think 15 minutes, was it 15 minutes? So when I checked it on 15 minutes, I noticed what we call a divergence. A divergence, and please just listen to this. A divergence, you can use, it's when, when you say something diverge, things going in different, things that are going in different directions. Now, if you look at this line that I've put here, you will notice that this line is tending downwards, right? This line here is tending downwards. You can see that it's coming downwards, right? But if you check the RSI from that same place that I marked, if you check the RSI from the same place that I marked, you see that the RSI is pointing where? The RSI is pointing upwards. So there's a divergence. There's a divergence between price and my RSI. Remember that my RSI is showing strength. So there's a divergence between price and my RSI. Now, my RSI is showing that the strength is looking upwards. Okay, but price is looking downwards. Now, when there's a divergence like this, we are actually going to mostly go with what the RSI is pointing. So when you see something like this, it still points to the fact that there's a high chance that maybe during this news or immediately after this news, the more sustainable move or the more advised move, technically looking at the chart, will be strength for the dollar. Okay, and that means that we most likely see the dollar head upwards. That means that we'll most likely see something like GBP USD coming down. We'll most likely see something like Euro USD coming down. Most likely see something like gold coming down, US 100, US 30, USD JPY going up. We're going to look at this instrument from that time, but just to take time to analyze the dollar index, you can see the setup here on 1 hour that price has been bouncing towards this point, and price has come all the way down, around the same zone where, it has pushed back up a couple of times, right? So even if there is a spike down on the dollar index, I expect that from here, it will take up. Okay, and when we checked, I'm just repeating what I said. When we checked it on the 15 minutes, we found out that we had a divergence. Price is pointing downwards, but the RSI is pointing upwards. So tell us that there is an expectation for the dollar to actually push up. You understand? Good. So if you ask me, what do you think is going to happen? I believe that the most sustainable thing will be strength for the dollar. Okay, ahead. The most sustainable thing for me will be strength for the dollar. Okay, good. So that said, let's look at GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD. If you look at GBP USD, you'll notice also that this is, let me put it on 4 hours so that we can see it better. Now, on 4 hours, you will notice that GBP USD is, we've talked about how GBP USD has been ranging. Talked about how GBP USD has been ranging, hitting resistance and support, resistance and support, resistance and support, right? But at the end of the day, you will notice that even GBP USD is around a proven resistance. Yes, fundamentals have that kind of power whereby they can just break resistance or all that. But the structure here shows that remember that GBP USD is an instrument that has gone through 2 consistent days of fundamentals. Day before yesterday, we had FOMC. It could not still break this zone. FOMC could not make it break this zone, right? Yesterday, we had GBP. Even GBP, they released their monetary policy data and all that. It was not enough for price to break this zone. And today, we have NFP. So it's very possible that even with the data that comes out today, especially since personally, I'm expecting a push up in dollar, strength in dollar, I will still be expecting GBP USD to fall. So what do I do? How do I take advantage of that? Now, there are 2 ways I can go about this. And if you've been joining us, if you've been following us time to time, you know that if I'm expecting a move in the market, I most likely use my limit and I can also use my stop. I can use my limit and I can use my stop. Now, in terms of limit, in case they say there's a spike up, in price, I can have a limit trade. I can have a sell limit on GBP USD. I can have a sell limit at around 1.27860. For my GBP USD, I can have a sell limit at around 1.27860. Sell limit. You understand? Good. Because I'm expecting that even if there's a spike towards this place, it can capture my sell while I expect price to head further down. Okay, so I expect I can have a sell limit at 1.27860. Okay, apart from that my sell limit, I could also have a sell stop. I could always also have a sell stop on GBP USD, and my sell stop could be well below this point. If I'm putting a sell stop, I can have a sell stop well below this point, and then my take profit around here. Now, for my sell limit, I said my sell limit at 1.27860. If I have that sell limit like that, I can take profit at around, for that sell limit, I can take profit at around 1.27670. For GBP USD, I can have my sell limit at 1.27860, and take profit around 1.27670. But remember, I've told you this is a high impact move. Okay, the idea is not to come to the fundamental and be depending on take profit. The idea is to use the best lot size that is convenient for your account. Okay, the best lot size that is convenient for your account, and then go, take as much as possible within the shortest possible time, right? So my sell limit at 1.27860, and my take profit around 1.27670. But I could also have a sell stop. I could have a sell stop at 1.27 I can have a sell stop at 1.27230. I can have a sell stop at 1.27230 and take profit at 1.27032. 1.27032. So my preference for trading NFP today is actually a sell. I have a sell limit at 1.27860, and then I have a sell stop at 1.27230. Okay, even the sell stop, you might decide to have your own sell stop, you know, closer to price than I have mine. You understand? Hey, can have your sell stop closer to price. You can even have sell stop apart from that place I gave as sell stop. You can have sell stop at around even 1.27480. You understand? The reason why I'm confident with that sell stop like that is because personally my bias is strength for the dollar. You understand? My bias is strength for the dollar. Okay, so that is how it works. Remember, GBP USD, I have a sell limit at 1.27860, and then I have a sell stop at 1.27230, around that zone. You understand? I'm going to be fast because news is by 2:30, so you should be fast in hearing me. So news is by 2:30. It's still, I'll still get a report and say, we did not do anything before news came out. So be fast with hearing me. Okay, we'll move from GBP USD. Let's look at Euro USD also. Let's look at Euro USD. So we have the same kind of setup for Euro USD. Okay, we have the same kind of setup for Euro USD. Remember that we are talking about the fact that we expect a kind of we expect strength in the dollar. We expect strength in the dollar. This is Euro USD, and I have done something on Euro USD even before this class. I have like a trend line. I have like a trend line that shows how Euro USD has been respecting that downtrend. Okay, I have a trend line that shows how Euro USD has been respecting that downtrend. And then in the past 4 hours, I have gotten an inverted hammer. I've gotten an inverted hammer that seems like there is a high chance that there's about to be a major retracement. Okay, at least for price to return back to the trend. Okay, so if you go and check it on 1 hour, you will see that even Euro USD also is around the resistance point. It's around the resistance point. So what I did for my Euro USD is that I would also be looking out for a sell limit and a sell stop. I'll also be looking out for a sell limit and a sell stop on Euro USD. How do I go about that? My sell limit could be at this place. I'm placing my sell limit at the top here in case there's a spike. There's a spike up in the market. Okay, so I could have my sell limit at around 1.09300. For Euro USD, I can have my sell limit at around 1.09300. For Euro USD, I can have my sell limit at around 1.09300. I can have my sell limit there. Now, if I take my sell limit at that point there, if I take my sell limit at that point, in terms of profit, in terms of take profit, I can have my take profit at around 1.0909. I can have my take profit at 1.0909. So I said I have my sell limit at 1.09300. That's my sell limit. And I can be taking profit at around 1.0909, 0.098. You understand? That's where I could have it. Now, for my sell stop, in the event that somehow price does not spike all the way to that place to trigger my sell limit, right? I have my sell stop at around 1.08611. I have my sell stop at around 1.08611. I have my sell stop at around 1.08611, and I'll be taking profit at around 1.08470. I'll be taking profit at around 1.08470. Okay, so I have a sell limit at 1.09300 and targeted profit at around 1.09090, which is, like I've already said, this is fundamental. Fundamental, we don't discuss take profit. It's just because if I don't give that price now, you hear a lot of what of take profit, what of take profit. You understand? So that is where I would have. Okay, but for my sell stop, in the event that price doesn't spike that way, and then I just have a plunge down, I have my sell stop at around Okay, I have my sell stop at around 1.08, 611, and then I should be coming out around 1.08470. Now, if price still closes below my this thing, given the fact, if we expect that the move is we get enough move, then price should still head further down. You understand? Price should still head further down. But I have said that my bias for this is actually strength in the dollar. You understand? And that's what I'm working towards. Okay, so that is this. Let's look at USD JPY, and then we'll go to commodities. Okay, so for USD JPY, what do we have? It's also possible that we have USD JPY also around the strong support zone. We have USD JPY around the strong support zone. So as I said also, I will be looking out for a buy limit around here. I'll be looking out for a buy limit around here. I could have my buy limit at around 145.580. I could have my buy limit at around 145.580. Now, if I put that buy limit there, 145.580, if I have a buy limit there, then I can take profit at, if I put my buy limit at 145.580 on USD JPY, I could take profit at around 145.960. I could take profit at around 145.960. Now, apart from that, I could also have a buy stop. Given that I expect strength in the dollar, I could have a buy stop on USD JPY. Apart from my buy limit, I could have a buy stop on USD JPY by at 146.815. 146.815 or 146.810 or 146.812. You understand? So I can have my buy stop there, and then I could take profit at around 147.030. I could take profit at around 147.030. You understand? So for USD JPY, I have said that I have a buy limit at 145.580. I have a buy limit at 145.580. I take profit at 145.960. Okay, 145.580 buy limit, take profit at 145.960, and then I could have a buy stop actually at 146.810. Take profit at 147.030. Okay, so move on from that and let's check out gold. Let's check out gold. Because we expect strength in the dollar, it's also possible that we expect a fall in gold. Okay, because we expect strength in the dollar, it's also possible we expect a fall in gold. So if I was trading gold, I could have my buy limit. You see, I have a buy limit at this place here where it was, the tip of where it was rejected, in case I have a spike. In case I have a spike up, most times it can be a spike up before price heads downward. So I could have my sell limit. I could have my sell limit at 2065. I could have my sell limit at 2065, and then I take profit at 2060. I could have my sell limit at 2065. Have my sell limit at 2065, take profit at 2060. Okay, while my sell stop could be at 2050. My sell stop could be at 2050, and then I take profit at around 2047. So my sell stop can be at around 2050, take profit at 2047. Okay, that's for gold. Let's look at the indices. Just look at two indices so that we know we've touched at least 5 to 6 instruments. Cannot touch everything. Can't touch everything, but so this is US 100. You notice that US 100 has formed like its own resistance at this place like this. And so it's possible that if the dollar is actually strong, if dollar is actually strong, we could actually get that fall in US 100. The dollar is strong, we should actually get that fall in US 100. So what we can do is this. For US 100, we have a verified resistance at the top here. We have a small support down here. So if this gives us a good move on US 100, this, if we get a good move on US 100, we should be targeting a sell stop at around oh, okay, let's come out before the moving average. So I could have my sell stop at around 17,570. I could have my sell stop at 17,570, and then I take profit at around 17,530. So I could have the sell stop at 17,570 and take profit at 17,530, right? So for buy stop, because we still have a lot of what I will give you for US 100 is a sell limit also. I'll give you a sell limit for US 100. Okay, I'll give you a sell limit for US 100. Give us a sell limit. So remember that for sell stop we have US 100 at 17,570 and then take profit at 17,537. Okay, 17,570, take profit at 17,537. Why my sell limit? I can have my sell limit at 17,740. I can have my sell limit at 17,740, take profit at 17,690. Take profit at 17,690. Okay, then that's for US 100. The final one we are going to look at is US 30. Final one we're going to look at is US 30, for which if we expect that push up in dollar, we should actually expect a further sell. We should expect a further sell if price pushes up, right? Good. So that's how we want to do it. Now, we could have a sell stop for US 30. We'll have a sell stop at 38,640. For US 30, we'll have a sell stop at 38,640. We'll have a sell stop at 38,640. Take profit at 38,610. 38,640. Sell stop at 38,640. Take profit at 38,610. I also have a sell limit on US 30. I have a sell limit on US 30 at around 38,720. I have a sell limit at around 38,720. I have a sell limit at around 38,720. Take profit at 38,690. Okay, so I have a sell stop at 38. I have a sell limit at 38,720. Take profit at 38,690. But I have a sell stop on US 30. I have a sell stop on 38,640. Take profit at 38,610. Okay, so that's what we have said. We said that we expect the dollar to be strong. For that we looked at GBP USD, where we actually expect. We said we're going to be looking at a sell. We're expecting a sell. So even if there's a push up, we have a sell limit on GBP USD at 1.27860. Okay, we have a sell limit there. But if this move is a good move and it really sells, we have a sell stop at 1.27230 and take profit at around 1.27072. Okay, we have that for GBP USD. We have for Euro USD a sell stop at 1.08611. 1.08611. Okay, 1.08611 and take profit at 1.08470. Okay, 1.08470. Okay, so we have a sell stop there. We also looked at gold. We said we have gold sell stop at 2050, take profit at 2047. We have sell stop at 2050, take profit at 2047, right? We also looked at USD JPY. Now, well, remember we talked about the fact that you need to be, if you're placing these trades, it's all about closing profits. You understand? With a good lot size, it's all about closing profits. We also have USD JPY at 146.810, 146.810 or 815, and take profit at 147.030. Okay, we have it like that for USD JPY. For US 100, we have US 100 at 17,570, 17,570. I take profit at 17,537. 17,537. Then for US 30, we have a sell stop at 38,640. 38,640. Take profit at 38,610. Take profit at 38,610. You understand? So yeah, the best we can do now is actually watch out for our positions, you know, to be able to take profit when as at how is the English said as at when due. So let me head to Forex Factory. We have about 40 something seconds left. We'll see what the data does, and we already have our pending orders, you know, to help. So okay. Okay, 15 seconds. Yeah, because I expect its strength, but we gave prices, right? We gave prices for those sales, right? Okay, so it's 2:30. What are we having for Forex Factory is still pending. Okay, look at the dollar index, guys. Look at the dollar index pushing up. US 30 take profit, US 100 profit, GBP USD profit, Euro USD profit, gold mad gap down. If you're in gold trade, you want to close your gold, close your gold. You made profit. USD JPY profit. Oh, yeah, feedbacks, guys. Let me get feedbacks, please. So the dollar is actually strong. We don't even check to see what the news did. I was only able to take US 100, guys. I was only able to take US 100, and I'm doing 400K now. One standard lot. Okay. Ah, nice. Please, feedback. Who made demo account 1 million plus? Well done. One day to be real account. 118K profit. Talk to me, guys. Oh, 50K. Not bad. Ah, who said bad? 98K. Well done, guys. Well done. Send screenshots to your account officers. They've been disturbing me and saying these guys must make profit. Please send screenshot to them so that they will leave me alone. In Phoenix, it's not about what you ask for. It's about what people are taking there. You say you ask for this thing, no response. Instead of you to take the one people have dropped, you are asking for. Is well with you. Come on, guys. Let's go. So yes, I hope you remember the analysis. The analysis that we made for dollar before going into the trade. I hope you got the analysis, right? We are making money. Right? So congratulations to everyone who made profit. Well done, guys. But that's the much we will take. That's the much we take today. Over Sabi. Let's not do over Sabi here. But yes, look at the dollar index. Perfect setup. It's going to be strong. So even if it retraces back down, dollar is going to be strong. So your best bet in the market is actually so you can then no, the sell limit may likely not trigger. You can close all those limit trades. You can close the limit trades. Okay, all those limits you can close it. It's only the stops that worked. It's only the stop. So I think somebody was talking about okay, someone said US 30 was lost. How was US 30 lost, please? Oh, well, this class was I think this class was it, do we have it? Oh, I don't think we recorded this class. So I don't think we recorded this class. Oh, thank you. But Onyeka, I don't think we recorded it, please. Very sorry about that. Who is making loss on gold? How? Okay. Alebode, please. I'm waiting for your own message. What instrument are you talking about, please? Oluwa, if your US 100 was closed by dealer, it means that for the lot size you use or for your balance, you could not carry that trade. So if you don't have enough money, you can place a pending order. You can actually place a pending order, but once it triggers, eh, once it gets to trigger. Now gold. The reason why some people are saying gold loss is because there was a gap down. There was a gap down, but we still have gold going down, so you should still be able to still make money from it. Look at now. Some people made this thing now. Some people made profit. For the person Abraham, US 30 was a big loss. Please go to your this thing and show me the entry you look at US 30 now. It's well, Jerry. It's well. But thank God for today. Now, guys, for those persons who made loss, I really don't know. Okay, your take profit on gold was too close. Okay, I think that's the issue. I think that's why. But so sorry about that, eh? But yeah, like I said, there's still going to be, see, please, moving forward, let's forget the excitement of the profit you have made. Okay, now listen, the dollar is still going to be strong, but you don't want to enter right now. Let it do a bit of retracement. Remember that by 3:30 is US session. Okay, by 3:30 we are still going to get further strength. Okay, so don't worry, the dollar is still going to be strong and you can take advantage of that. You understand? Well done. See screenshot at least. You are getting screenshots. Well, this screenshot is this 600? Well done, well done, well done. Oh, see, do not despise the days of little beginning. So why that is going on? Yes, I'm the one on that flyer. I'm not on that flyer. Don't mind me, Jerry. It's always hard for me to smile. So we'll be having a special session on the 7th of February. We'll be having it for my guys in Lagos. Just come and join me on Wednesday. We'll be having a trader session. It's just for traders. Let's come and let's interact by 10 a.m. On the 7th of February at our office at Adeni Jones, Right House. Okay, at our office. So please just come around. Make sure you're coming. Oh, make sure you're coming. Okay, make sure you're coming. Yes, these things will sell. They will sell to the strength of the dollar. Okay, don't worry, we're going to have an Abuja session. We're going to have an Abuja session, but for next week, Tuesday, we are having it on the at Lagos office. Okay, so there's still going to be sell in the market, guys. There's still going to be sell. Okay, there's still going to be sell. But if you are not in a sell already, it's very risky. So maybe you want to wait for the US session and then you cannot take advantage. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, guys. But yeah, this is the much I can take. This is the much I can take. Well done, guys. Well done. God bless you all. We will continue again by the special grace of God on Monday. But yes, our WhatsApp channel, please. WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp channel. Okay, WhatsApp channel. We'll drop the link now so that we are still going to post more entries on WhatsApp. Okay, we're going to post more analysis on WhatsApp. So please, if you did not trade or you did not make money, yeah, I appreciate you too, guys. Well done, well done. It's fine, additional. There will be other opportunities. Okay. Um, so please let me try and get the WhatsApp channel link and drop it. So am I the person that made the most money today? I made 400K on one trade. And that money itself is even I'm sure account officers will send my own very soon. Well done, Blaze. Well done. Okay, good. So this is the registration for that for the traders event, guys. Click on that link to register so that we can meet and have a physical conversation next week Tuesday. I will also be coming to other states. Okay, I'll be coming to other states, but we have Lagos next week. Okay, my brother, I just gave you the take naira so they not come and kidnap me. Hmm? It's Naira. Damilola, $400 and counting. Never do. Port Harcourt, I'll be in Port Harcourt also. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Let's go. Let's count our blessings. Name them one by one, and then we will continue. Okay. Don't forget that we are going to be having that training next week, traders conference, next week Wednesday. Reach out to your account officers for it so that they can give you the updates that you need. Okay. And for those persons who made, wow, is this person just putting numbers? Oh, demo account. Okay. Well done. But well done, oh. I'm not laughing at the fact that you traded on demo account. Well done. And this is how you replicate it. Guys, we have the WhatsApp channel already. You can click on that link to join the WhatsApp channel so that you can still get this thing from us. Okay. So every other information about, some people are asking, is it still going to sell and all that? All that information, we are going to drop it on WhatsApp channel, on the WhatsApp channel towards the US session. Okay. But thank you all for your time. God bless you all. Bye for now. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.